Aha, akuphi amanga wami? I told you ukuthi uNkosi, when I'm looking at him, I'm looking at a guy that will probably kiss Balisa, or they go to Clougville and then akuphi ke amanga wami, because right now sebashera umpeto. Bashera mashiti. Yeah. Isimo simanzunzu. Gumatima. But I told you, and omunye sekaya bluza, cawanga uPalisa, seka check ama-picture wakhe, looking at Palisa's campaign, and is just binging on it and thinking about how last night was. Hey, guys, ngitheni ku? Ndinixelela ndathi next time xa into iyenzeka ndizawubuya ndinixele uba ndanixelela. Ewe, manje ngike ngoku okay, I think Xhosa is just not part of me. But ndibuyele ke ngoku ndizonixelela ukuthi ndanixelela ndithi nathi mna ndiyaxoxisela. Okay, can somebody teach me Xhosa? Anywho, so we are faced with a situation where Faith looks at Nkosi and see ukuthi uyabluza, and then she says, you know what? I think you should call Palisa to come through and have dinner with us. Because after everything that has happened, I think she deserves to be celebrated. And I think we are the people that can actually do that, because wow, she has done tremendously well for herself. Unkosi ati no, I think she's got other plans. And in fact, when Unkosi said no, he actually thought Faith uyazi. But then as Faith continues speaking, then he realized, okay, she doesn't know anything, but it's just an innocent invite. Okay, cool. Then he says he was going to invite her. Oh boy, Agablashi ukayo. Anywho, speaking of Faith, uFaith uthuse umntwana uMampho manje sekayakotiza kibo, because she was told ukuthi, you know what, you need to work hard, ukotize wenzeni. So now she's telling Maria how she is so frightened about this whole situation and how she's going to be cotizering. And Maria was laughing at her, said, listen, there's no such thing. So, but then you need to calm down. Like any other African household, you will work, but it's nothing intensive. But then again, I will speak a word for you, umyeni wakho. But then again, uMampho says, you know what, when you speak to him, kumele usebenzise isintu enesineke, ukhulume naye kahle njengobaba wekhaya. Thisoka lezwe, not isoka, umbiza ngesifani, umitha kasifanisa hayi. Konje yini isithakazelo, yebo. So bese uyam-addressa ke kahle ke. Ladies and gentlemen, have I greeted you guys? Hey, I don't know if I'm gonna be greeting again. Madekwana sanibona namhlanje bolweni minjani? Ipfukile hingongwina. So namuhla ka ngokwa hina wami a house of Zide hikuma korosla tsemsekange kahle, looking at the fact that umntana has been put on the front line. Ukatleho has been put on the front line to go to Ezekiel's camp and go and try and find out information that the adults are unable to get hold of. But Katleho looks to be the bridge between the two families so that Isaac Mulapo can come out of jail, which is a very tricky situation, because when he goes there, he needs to start by apologizing. And if anything happens, like you know what I mean? So it's going to be it's going to be over for him. Speaking about over, Malife had a conversation with Umsizi, and Umsizi says, you know what, I don't know if I want to listen to you, because all you're telling me is a bunch of nothing. You just because there's actually nothing that you're saying. There's nothing concrete that as a wuzo puma. All you're telling me are hearsays that we cannot even put like ayikho into eshoyo manje nje ngiyaxakeka, like ngibhorekile nokubhoreka angisafuni nokukulalela. Athi listen, whatever that I'm telling you is concrete, and we are working on getting that information, on also supporting documents. It's just that at the point in time, I cannot tell you exactly what, how, and what, and where, but we are actually working on it, and very soon Isaac Mulapo would be back. Oh, akasaboreka ngumsizi shemu. Agaporegi, like what do you even mean? But on the other side of town, Sitolo Maria, she is getting ready for this wedding, but I just like the the fact that she is there for Mtanaki. If you still remember the relationship that they had previously, it was not really good because bekafuna imali nje, she was just like exhausting. But now she decides to go and see Isaac Molapo. And when she gets there, she told Isaac about the plan that they have. And Isaac was not happy because he says that this plan is very dangerous. Mwana ole can be ebungozini esingabazi, because now everyone is thinking on how to get Isaac out of jail, but they don't know the intensity of how bad or what can go wrong in the process of all this. So Isaac was not happy. Oh, Maria afela moya gore mara ratu ri rela wena. Yes, we really, I mean, I get that, but I'm just saying that the risk is way too much, because what happens if he gets caught and he goes there, speaks to Ezekiel, and then Ezekiel says, "It's fine, I forgive you. You can clean my office." And then he starts working on the laptop, and then on the phone call, Kelly was calling the shots to say, "Okay, go to this drive, go to this folder, check this, da 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 da." He puts in the USB, and then Barakimang Ezekiel walks in and asks, "What are you doing?" Ooh, my blood is boiling. Like, I'm so scared. Ukuthi bazomthola, bayomnquma, angeke baze bamyeke. Yo, Nkosi yami nje, iqiniso